loves, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Carla, the natural. As you guys can see, your girl is braided up today. So you guys, I know it has been a couple of months and I'm so sorry. I am so sorry that it has been so long since I have been on here, you guys. I just want to give you guys a little quick update. Your girl broke her foot. So sad, but I'm on the up and up. Otherwise, I have been doing okay and I miss you guys so much. So it's so good to be back on YouTube and I hope you guys are ready for a banger. I've been seeing these braids all over Instagram. I guess your girl Coi Leray has inspired the generation. I'm gonna just show you guys what I did to achieve this look. It was not that complicated of a style. Actually, the hardest part for me was tucking my ends because you guys know I did dye my hair, so my hair is red. So having to tuck those ends in these braids was a little bit of a challenge. I really wanted to go for this color. I saw a girl on YouTube and she had this color, but she did like the passion braids. And I was like, oh my gosh, I love that color. So you guys, if you are not subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe, like this video, and leave me a comment down below. We're gonna go ahead and hop right into this video. As always, I love you. Enjoy this video.
Hey y'all. Alright, so as you can see, I've gone ahead and done one side of my head, and I do have my perm rods on my hair. So I am using the Formation braid hair, and this is the color 30. I also have the Even New York Edge Tamer, which I have really grown to love when doing braids, and then I also have the OG Shine and Jam. So I did go ahead and pre-part and pre-section my hair because y'all, I struggle so hard with getting my parts straight and they're never perfect, but these ones here will do. So I've gone ahead and just sectioned them off. So I'm coming in with just a little bit of the Even New York gel, and I'm going to add that around the part lines and the edges of my hair. Then I'm going to go ahead and split that section into 3 parts. And as you can see, my sections were pretty big for some of these braids, and mainly because I was just trying to be done, y'all. My friend had came over and I was ready to just chill and vibe. But anyway, as you can see, I have gone ahead and sectioned out sort of into these 3 free parts. Then you're going to want to go ahead and just begin to braid like a normal braid, like you would do kind of like a knotless, how you would start it out. So as you can see, I'm just braiding it down just a couple of turns. So I think I did like 3 turns. Now I'm going to go ahead and get my hair. The way I do it is I take a nice section that sort of is the same thickness around as the part of hair that I'm going to be working with, and I just go ahead and place that on top of my head, as you can see here. And so you really want to just place the hair on and begin braiding down as soon as you place it. It's sort of the same method as I did with my knotless box braids, and I will link that video here as well. So I'm just going ahead here, placing the hair on top, and I'm going to align the 2 sides with my hair. So I'm going to go ahead, braid 1, 2, 3 times here before I actually go ahead and add another piece of hair. So I really like to go ahead and split it like this, and then part of that hair is going to become the 3rd sort of piece of hair in my braid. So as you can see, I'm just going ahead and splitting it apart because that hair was pretty thick that I put on there. So I'm going to go ahead and braid down just a little bit, and then I'll be going in with my next piece of hair, as you can see. And I'm going to be going ahead and adding an extra Shine and Jam to my hair because it just is easier to braid with the Shine and Jam. So as you can see, I do have a little black rubber band on the end of this. And that's just for me to know where, like how much of the braid I want curled. So I'm just going ahead and putting that roller on the end, and I'm going to move on to the next couple of braids.
so this is the final look. I am in love. I think it looks super, super cute. I love the curled ends. And I think that this length was perfect. It's not too long, but it's also not too short. So I feel like I can still put this up in a ponytail, and it kind of just falls right above bra length. And it's just super, super cute, y'all. Like, girl, yes, super cute. So I want to show you guys what I did. So I did go ahead and put some mousse on the braids, and I put a little bit on my scalp as well. The way that I got these curled ends, you guys saw me put the perm rods on. So I put them on like regular perm rods, and then I boiled some water, put it in a cup, and one of my friends, she just left. She helped me. I just dipped each of them. So like, you want to dunk it in the water. You want to leave it in there for about 15 seconds, and then you're going to do it again. But what we did is we dunked all of these on this side, and we left them in there for about 15 seconds. Then we moved to this side, did the same thing, and then came back and did it on this side, and then the following side as well. And it achieved these really, really pretty curls at the end. It achieved these super pretty curls at the end. I think they're super adorable. I think this look is really, really cute. And it only took me about 2.5 hours to do these braids, which is like actually amazing, because braids are usually really a long process. So loves, I hope you enjoyed this video. It is good to be back. I missed you guys. Be sure to leave me a thumbs up, a comment down below. And if you aren't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Love you, and I will see you here in my next one.